Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how to receive the payment from customers via direct deposit option in QuickBooks Desktop. So if this is the first video you are watching on our channel, then we have a complete playlist that you can check out from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now let's suppose that this business is a very small business and it has nothing to do with a bank or depositing the payment in bank. So in this case, this business will collect all the cash and keep it in its own safe. So he doesn't need bank to deposit this payments. So in these cases where there is no bank involved, receiving payment in an undeposited funds and then recording deposits and then keeping it in cash is not a viable option. It's a lengthy process. So in that case, I directly need to receive payments in cash. So I should have option here to receive the payment directly in cash. For that, first we will delete the old transaction that we have entered from two-step process. First we will delete the record deposit, go to previous option, and if you can't see the delete option here, just press Ctrl D or go to edit menu and delete deposit from there. Ctrl D mentioned shortcut is here. Delete transaction, okay, and then go to receive payment, last record, and delete this entry as well. Here we can see this delete option. Okay, now I need to enable the option to receive payment in cash. In order to do this, you will go in edit menu and go to preferences. Now remember, all of the settings of QuickBooks are present in edit and preferences. So whatever major changes or settings you want to make in QuickBooks, simply go to edit menu and go to preferences. Under preferences option, we will go in payments, company preferences, and just turn off this option. Use undeposited fund as a default deposit to account. I don't want that. So uncheck that and okay. It will close all the windows to make these changes. Then you have to manually click on home tab because all the windows has been closed. And then let's enter this entry again. Mr. Mubarak paid all previous balance by cash. Now I will go in receive payment. I am receiving the payment from Mr. Mubarak. I will click here, which means I want to take all these payments because I have received all the cash, and transaction is for 7 January 2018. Now I can see the option to deposit to. I can directly deposit it in cash. Now this option is a very good option because in either cases, if you want to deposit in undeposited funds, you can use that. You want to deposit directly in bank. In case of bank transfers, you immediately get the payment in bank. So for that, you can directly debit in bank or consider it as cash. Whatever you want to do, you can do so. So you can also mark it as cash and save and new. Now let's check the backend entry of it. Go to the previous records, reports, and transaction journal. Cash is debit because we have received cash, and account receivable is credit. So this is a single step process for receiving payment if you are doing major transactions in cash.